Oil India Limited lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ang bong MOU alamnon kacetok. Pinipai kuni ni pai ingkoi rapia ni dipu arang supi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council asayam along Oil India Limited lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ang bong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Conference Hall along ada por pai krisia por malompen MOU cetok por. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen Oil India Limited atau MOU kacetok alam theke dhansri ahabar arlo hydrocarbon kido agas lapet jang tukipul ponji aphansi langgan cetok por. Labang sa London kacetok pon along Oil India Limited pen kebang laki Dr. Manas Kumar Sharma Executive Director, Dr. Indrajit Borua Executive Director retired, Ajit Kumar Borua Chief Executive General Manager, Kanin Borgohai General Manager, Gautam Hazurika Deputy General Manager, lapen Ranjit Das Manager Atupsi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along Bangalore, lapen Lapu Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen stami Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, MP Horen Singh Be, MLA Dor Singh Ronghang, MLA Bidya Singh Ingleng, MLA Rup Singh Teron lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM MAC pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Principal Secretary lapen Chenglok Pinangan abang ku bang piatu cetok dun. Labang solong Karbi arat atum Grade 3 lapen Grade 4 abodek anghoy anti Karbi Anglong arat atum si longpon epo kuta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang Ninjepon. Tipu pen raja bang report Daily News.